Good morning, folks. You got the Blue Ridge Boy here. And today I'm going to play a little bit of Luke Jordan's Church Bell Blues. I'm just going to do it instrumentally. So the chords you're going to be using is E, and A7. And then you're going to pull off in a bass, then a hammer, then a push up on the E6, then a B7, then come up here to the 4th fret, C sharp 7, so it starts off like this with an E chord here out of a D shape. Then on one of the recordings you'll catch this note, so it starts like this.